You need the right people with you, not the best people. One day or day one, you decide. One day you will look back and realize that you worry too much about things that don't really matter. Don't let a little negative stop you from seeing all the good that's around. Life is a journey to be experienced, not a problem to solve. Travel and tell no one. Live a true love story and tell no one. Live happy and tell no one. People ruin beautiful things. It's a beautiful thing to meet someone who makes you forget your troubles. I will never forget the day we met for the first time and I was completely unaware that you would mean so much to me. It's your road and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Tell my mistakes to me, not to others, because my mistakes are to be corrected by me, not by others. It's okay if it takes longer than you thought. You didn't give up, keep going. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. When things are falling apart, they may actually be falling into place. If spread love as quickly as we spread hate and negativity, what an amazing world we would live in. A heart that always understands also gets tired. What God intended for you goes far beyond anything you can imagine. What makes you different makes you beautiful. Being sad is a waste of time. Find a reason to smile. These feelings will pass, the fear is real, but the danger is not. The biggest comeback is making yourself happy again. Sometimes it's better to just remain silent and smile.